Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Insight to BQool, a new series where we give some useful tips with a focus on the seller's needs, Amazon sellers' needs, and how BQool products might help you fulfill those needs and achieve the goals. In today's episode, very first episode, I would like to focus on a new Amazon seller, someone that just started selling, or existing sellers that also are starting for the first time using BQool's products. Some useful tips for when you're starting your business. The first thing you need to know is you need to create your SKUs for your listings, but it's important to use meaningful SKUs, something that is going to help you manage your listings better. For example, instead of using just a random number code, you can use a code that is including different information of your product. For example, you can use a code that starts with the source information. Where did you source your product? If you're doing arbitrage, for example, you can start with the W&A if you bought it on Walmart, or any other code for your sourcing information. After that, you can put what kind of product it is. If it is shoes, if it is clothes, you can put just a few letters from those words just to make you remember. And you can also put the condition. If it's used is new, you can put the fulfillment type. You can put when you bought the product, and so on. One suggestion I give is to also put the category of your product, because the reports we receive from Amazon in BQool, they don't include that information. So you can put it in the SKU and you're going to use it later for your filtering, for example, in Repricing Central. One thing that you need to know is to avoid using special characters, some symbols, because the reports that the Amazon sent to us, they don't include those characters, or they include them, but they're wrong. My suggestion is don't use symbols, just keep it simple with just normal characters and numbers. Also, you can use a tool that helps you create the SKUs automatically. I know there are some tools in the market. The one that I know is a great tool is Inventory Lab. They offer this SKU generator. This is very important when you are creating your SKU and your listing. After that, you're gonna put your listing there. Another suggestion is don't create duplicate listing. Duplicate listings are listings that are having multiple listings that have the same ASIN, the same condition, the same fulfillment type. This is basically the same product, bought it on different codes or from different sources. This can create problems, but it's also forbidden by Amazon's policies. Additionally, if you're using a Repricing Central, the software might have problem separating these listings, because actually they're going to be treated like the same product. So they're going to be pricing conflict. So please avoid duplicate listings. The one that you can list are the one that have the same ASIN, but different condition. Maybe one is used, one is new, or different fulfillment type. One is FBA, one is FBM. Another tip that I would like to give if you just started is to try to raise your store metrics. Since the sellers want to win the buy box, the better way to win it not only is pricing, but is also having a better store metrics. So raising your feedback. In order to raise your feedback, you need to ask for it. So you can use a tool that send automated feedback requests. For example, our own BigCRM, BQool's BigCRM can help you send feedback requests through some campaign. It's very simple to just set it up. You just set one campaign for feedback, and you're good to go. Your feedback metrics will raise, and you're gonna increase the chances to win the buy box. If you are using Repricing Central, another thing that is very important to know when you're starting is that our pricing plan is based only on enabled listings for repricing, not the total listings. This might be different than other software in the market. The repricing is enabled when you set a min and a max price and a rule. And this takes me to the next point that I want to talk about is setting min and max prices is a different thing than setting a repricing rule. This is another thing that sometimes we have noticed with our customer. The repricing rule is only based on price changes on the live price, but min and max prices are set internally on the system, so they're set in a different section in managed listing. The min and max prices are always set up by you. You can automate this process for new listings, and I can show you to go to general settings where you can actually set this automation. As you can see, for main price, for max price, and for a rule, and even for your cost. Just be aware that these are only able to be set from starting from your live price at the moment the listing is downloaded first in the system. And also, this will only happen once when the listing is downloaded. After that, if you want to make any changes on your min and max prices, you need to do it manually. Let's say you need to start the operation manually. You can do it on individual listing, but that is time consuming. So you also can use our bulk actions, or you can upload a file. Speaking of uploading a file, this takes us to the last point that I want to talk about today. If you're coming from another repricer, or if you simply know that you have already min and max prices in your Seller Central or in your inventory management tool like Inventory Lab, what you can do is you can export those min and max prices from those tools and put them in a spreadsheet. The moment you have them in a spreadsheet, what you can do is you can simply take those values and put them in our template for uploading the file. Just fill up our spreadsheet and use it to upload it back into the system. The moment you do this, our system will receive the new min and max prices and you're gonna be good to go. This concludes today's episode. If you have any question about what we've talked today, please leave a comment below, or even if you have any suggestion for other tips, anything, just leave a comment below and we will be able to reply to you and to maybe feature you in the next video. For today, this is all. Thank you for watching.